Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to use Kid in Story to make customized storybooks for all children. You need to have at least one profile to make a storybook, so let's create a profile first. Press Edit Profile, and you get the Pass Math pop-up that keeps younger children from accidentally editing their own profiles. It's just a simple double-digit addition problem, so let's solve it, and that will unlock the Edit Profile menu. The first thing you'll see on the Edit Profile menu is Add Kid. Press that, and then add the name of your profile. Let's name her Maria. Now, you'll see that your newly created profile is listed on the Edit Profile screen, and there's also the option to add another profile. Before we add any more profiles, let's finish updating this one. To edit that profile, just tap on it again. Let's add a photo to this profile. Tap Add Image, and you'll get to choose if you want to take a picture using your device's camera, or use a picture that's already saved on the device. Let's pick Choose from Device, and then I'll select this photo here. This photo is too big, but we can easily resize it. Then, we can crop out the rest of the picture using Draw Area. And now, we're just left with a great picture of our kid. Now we're back on the home screen, and we can see our new profile. Let's select the profile now. This is Maria's bookshelf, which you can use to read any of the storybooks you've already created. If you want to read one of the stories, simply touch on the story you want to read. Depending on the story, it might include images, scripts, or even a recorded voice. If you want to edit a story or add a whole new story, tap the Edit Story button and solve the Pass Math equation. This is the Edit Story menu. At the bottom, you'll see the Add New Story tab. Touch the tab to bring it up. Then, you can scroll to see some available templates. Let's select What Will I See in San Francisco? From here, we can use the arrow buttons to view the template. If you like it, tap Use Template. Now the story is available in our Edit Story menu. It will also be available on the bookshelf. If we tap on it again, we'll have the option to edit the story, share it via email, duplicate the story, or delete it. For now, let's try editing the story. When editing a story, you can change the title, the book cover, any of the background images, or add a kid image. You can edit or completely rewrite the script. And you can record your voice for read-along stories. That's it for now. In the next video, we'll go over how to edit stories in more detail. Thanks for watching.